Ada and the Sticky Button Code. Ada lived in a wonderful world of whirring wonders and clicking contraptions. Her best friend was a little robot named Sprocket, whose gears were always turning. One morning, Sprocket was trying to clean the dust off the great gear grinder. "Move forward," he beeped. "Wipe the top," he squeaked. But Sprocket had a sticky main button. Instead of wiping the top, he spun in a fast circle and bumped right into a stack of oil cans. Clang! "Oh dear," sighed Ada, rushing over. "Your instructions got scrambled again, Sprocket. You need clear code to move." Sprocket needed to get to the fix-it station on the other side of the room, but the path was tricky. He couldn't trust his sticky button. "No problem," Ada said, tapping her chin. "We'll use a new coding language, action blocks." She drew 3 big squares on a dusty notepad: forward, turn, and wipe. "First, we need you to face the fix-it station. That's a turn left," Ada said, carefully pushing the turn block. Sprocket slowly turned his wheels. "Next, we need 3 steps forward. Not 4, not 2, but 3 exactly. That's forward, forward, forward," Ada chanted, drawing 3 forward blocks in a row. Sprocket moved forward, click, 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 stopping perfectly right in front of the fix-it station. "Amazing! Your code worked," beeped the little robot happily. "Coding is just like telling a story," explained Ada. "You have to put the sentences, or in this case, the action blocks, in the right order, or the ending won't make sense. So if I want to clean the top of the great gear grinder," Sprocket thought aloud, "my code should be turn, forward, wipe, turn, backward." Ada cheered. With clear instructions, Sprocket could do anything. Learning code wasn't magic, it was just a smart way of thinking. They fixed the grinder, and then started coding the instructions for a perfect bedtime snack.